Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how to change the main screen theme. This video will apply to second generation of Ford Edges made from 2015 to 2024 and Ford Edges equipped with FordSync 3. If you have a FordSync 2, unfortunately you will not have this option, but I'm pretty sure every newer Edge should have a FordSync 3. Now, first thing to do, you have to access the so-called hidden diagnostics menu, and to do that you have to hold the SIG button on the steering wheel and SIG button on the dashboard at the same time for 5 seconds, and your radio has to be turned on and set to either AM or FM, and then you will press and hold this button and the one on the dashboard at the same time. Okay, so I'm holding the buttons. You will see now the screen changing. And first you will get this annoying speaker test. You can cancel that, and then to change the screen you will go under testing settings, and then you have a theme here. You will press that and you can see there is a bunch of different themes here. This will depend kind of on your Sync 3 software version. So to get more themes, if you don't have this option or if you don't have all of these themes, just update your FordSync 3. It can be done easily through your Wi-Fi. I have a video on that on my channel as well, so I can choose any one here. So I'll gonna choose, let's say, this one. Now it will take some time to apply. Yeah, this really is taking too long. Now you see my background and everything is completely different, right? Different color, and yeah. So that's something interesting you can play with and adjust to your liking. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.